the possibilities you have now of doing business. Yeah, look at this beast. Live auction, selling. We've got a couple of properties that we're selling. 2 out of 5 at the moment. And we are lots 21 and 22. And we're on lot 15. Watching this go on. They sold so many already, so I'm super excited.
Number 1, it goes at 220. You're out, Mr. P. For the first time, the second time, third and final time. The hammer's up. Fair warning at £220,000. Make no mistakes. You're back in at 221. At 221.
Oh, this is going to be exciting. It'll be awesome to watch our own one. This is real life, baby.
At 223.
Yeah.
Sale on the telephone at 222.
I mean, I've watched this going up incredibly. It's awesome.
This is cheap. Keep going. At 222.
This guy's enjoying himself.
Got to get to 240.
Well, it just goes to show how, like, look, I'm just climbing about. Got some meetings to attend to. I'm preparing for a 2-day virtual event tomorrow. We can still do the business. You know, no excuses, people. No excuses. You can do this.
This is so exciting. I can't describe my excitement right now.
So we travel over to Kegworth, lot 21, 17
I've been watching this all morning.
substantial 6-bedroom, all en suite HMO property.
So it's our turn. I'm just showing you that you can literally do business from anywhere. I'm on my haircut right now, and we're on lot 21. You can see Harvey, look, can you see it? Harvey's logo. This guy down here.
At £330,000.
Let's get him going.
320.
342. We've got 8k to go. We've got a reserve of 350 on this one.
343. It's going up.
344. 345.
350. I'll be happy.
349.
350. I'm happy. Anything above this, bonus.
Don't walk away. Come on, it's a great deal.
Goes then. First time. 3. Are we sure? Second time. At 350,000. Third. Amazon fair at £350,000. Make no mistakes, it goes.
Hammer is down. 350. Sold. Yes.
350,000 and thank you.
Awesome.
Lot 22.
Get in.
Thank you.
Yes.
Lot 22.
Sold. 350. Boom.
Great location, close to
The next one.
centre.
Next one. Lot 22.
Great letting history here with an income of 20.
So 5 beds.
13 Hardwick Street in Derby. 5-bedroom, all with en-suites, HMO, situated in a great location close to the city centre. Again, great letting history here with an income of £27,600.
27,000 for a 5-bed.
Offer due to on a guide for £225,000. We're getting a great opportunity. Where would you like to start with this? Should we start at 225? 220? Let's get on. Who will bid me at £220,000?
That is a good buy, by the way, for someone. 350, 6-bed HMO, fully tenanted for like the last 2 years. High demand area, close to East Midlands Airport, so like Ryanair staff, plus loads of other small businesses around that area. Oh, we've had a bid on this one. Starting at 220.
That's a great income. What are you doing? Come on.
Bid me 230 at £225,000.
230.
At 230.
Come on, it's got a reserve. You need to get another 15k.
Same as we were late. We were late into the auction. We literally only got it into the auction a week ago. So we were late.
I'll take you to it up for a couple of you there. At 230, let's go 232. At 230.
Going up in twos. Yes, we are still.
232.
It's happening.
234 it is. At 236 is it now?
We've got to get it to 240 at least. So we've got 6k until it meets its reserve. They don't know that. This is the most excitement I've had in a long time. Which is quite sad for my life, right? No, we're not all done. 238.
238 still going up. 240. Can you believe this? £250,000 nearly. This is excellent.
150. That feels sick.
I said 350, I'll be happy on the previous one, it got to that. 250, I'll be happy on this one, and now it's there. Looks like it's going to go for that. I should have manifested 300. Oh, it's 52, 252 is this one. To get some bonus money.
Oh my goodness. $58. This is the best fun I've had in my life. 260. See, I'm coughing. It's just the excitement.
We have a very low mortgage on this one, so this is pure profit. Wow, 260, can you believe that? This is awesome.
262 is big. 264 is in there.
265. 272 in Derby. Brilliant. Listen, quality produces a quality result.
At 272,000.
273. 274.
This is going up. I mean, what's going on? How did someone only pay 350 for the other one, but they're paying this much for this? 272. Look, 272. 273, now he's going up in ones. This guy's doing a good job. 274, this is a 5-bed HMO. 275.
Yes, round number. Come on, I like the sound of that. 280. What on earth is occurring?
Try one at 280. At 280 is the 2. There is 2.
Oh my goodness, 281.
This is incredible. Are you excited? Is this for real?
285, 286,
I hope you can hear the guy.
286, 287.
This is brilliant. I can't believe the other one didn't go for more then.
At £286,000 is there 287.
Oh yeah.
Quickly now, are we all
We've still got 2 more properties to sell next month as well.
It goes at £286,000. Selling for the first time. For the second time. Third and final time. Fair warning, hammers up at £286,000. It goes
280.
286.
280.
At 287,288 is it now? At 287,000. Fair warning, hammers up at £286,000. Goes
Oh, someone else's bid 287. Oh my goodness, can you imagine just make...
Big Mr. P at 290. Quickly now or not.
Is it going?
Is there
Is it going?
291? There is 291. 292 is in there.
Yes! Come on, this is a beautiful way to add value to people and make money at the same time.
Property that looks all at home. £291,000. 292 is it now, Mr. E? Quickly now or not? For the first time, for the second time, third and final time, at £291,000. Make no mistakes, goes.
Sold! Also £291,000. What is 291 plus 350?
23.
That is awesome.
200 grand more than I bought it for. I feel sick right now with joy.
It's number 49 Davenport Road in Derby.
Oh!
So I am back home now. What a day, £641,000. Super exciting. Watching it live. And yeah, I mean, just all the people I want to say thank you to that were involved in just making this possible. The people who sold the house in the first place, the people who marketed it, social media for allowing us to raise the finance to even invest in the deals in the first place, the brokers, the solicitors, the builders, the cleaners, the tenants that have paid the rent for the last couple of years. You know, one was about 36k annual income, another one was just under 30, I think, because from 5 beds, 6 beds, like 11 beds in total. You know, so all of these people, the agents, the maintenance people that have kept it tip-top shape, so it makes it a very attractive buy, and it's a great investment for the people that bought it. Thank you to those people. Thank you for the ways that they have made the money to be able to invest in it. Yeah, there's so many people that we're adding value to, society, the councils, making sure that people have got a safe and a secure place to stay. So thank you to all those people, and I hope you enjoyed this video.